Brianna and
welcome to Caroline
Chisholm's
Chisholm's
YouTube channel. Let us remember that staying at home is staying safe. Today we'll be making
Easter cookies. To make our cookies today, we need 125 grams of butter. Put that in the bowl.
and half a cup of sugar. So now we need to beat it together.
Remember to always have an adult help you in the kitchen.
After we beat everything together, we need to add in 1 tablespoon of milk
And 1.5 cups of flour. So we'll just add that in.
No, just gonna go. And now you get your spoon and mix it together. So now Jo is just going to knead together the flour into the butter. She's using gloves because she's handling the food.
So we're just rolling it into a ball so that it's ready for us to roll out later and to cut into shapes. So we're going to roll it out so that we can make shapes. We've got an Easter bunny face, an egg, and a bunny foot.
Okay, so now let's put the shapes onto the dough. So you press it down, lift it up, and put it onto the baking tray. So now that we have our shapes cut out, we need to put it into the oven, but remember that we need an adult with us.
So we've got the cookies out of the oven and they're ready to decorate. We've got some icing,
some Smarties and hundreds and thousands.
So I've chosen a bunny. I'm gonna put some icing on there.
Use a knife. Okay, I'm gonna choose hundreds and thousands. Happy Easter, everybody!
Stay safe
And have a happy holidays.
Bye.